severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County, southwestern Miami County, northern Preble County, southeastern Darke County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Eaton, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dayton, Trotwood, Englewood, Eaton, West Milton, Lewisburg, New Paris, West Alexandria, Clayton, Union, Brookville, New Lebanon, Shiloh, Phillipsburg, El Dorado, Verona, Laura, West Manchester, Pittsburgh, and Potsdam. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 2 and 30. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.